have over-ordered.
Yeah, just a few. Just a few pizzas. Good morning, YouTube. Technically, good afternoon, YouTube. We are here at Long Beach, Mississippi at the Magic River Campground. If any of that sounds familiar, it's because we've been here before. The owner of Passport America owns this park, and it's one of our favorite parks to come and just be within nature and enjoy the sounds of birds and just have some downtime.
Something swimming. Is it a beaver?
We really enjoy this place. Really want to thank Ray, Tiffany, Austin, Maddie, Robert, everybody at Passport America. We're just enjoying the southern hospitality from everybody at Passport America, and just
great.
enjoying a couple of down days. Honey?
We had pizza lunch, took all the gang at Passport America some lunch, and we've just kind of been relaxing. We have a busy few days ahead of us. We're starting our trek north, so it's bittersweet. Our time in the States is coming to an end. But yes, we thank everyone at Passport America for everything they've done for us. We appreciate it more than you guys could ever imagine. And it's time to hit the road.
That's right. We love the southern hospitality. It's always much appreciated. So
Let's go to Jackson.
yeah, we're off to Jackson. There we go.
All hooked up.
Jackson, here we come. Stay tuned. Drama. Bye for now. Yeah.